My mornings used to suck. But now, with my BlendJet 2 portable blender, I actually look forward to making a delicious smoothie. It saves me time and it's perfect for staying healthy on the go. In just 20 seconds, I can make a fresh smoothie anytime, anywhere. I even threw away my shaker bottle and my protein shakes have never been better. I feel so much healthier and it keeps me energized all day long. BlendJet's patented TurboJet technology packs big blender power on the go and crushes through ice or just about anything. BlendJet 2 also comes in 16 beautiful colors, which makes it a perfect gift for everyone. I love how easy it is to clean. Just add water, a drop of soap, and blend. It's water resistant too. It's amazing how quickly it recharges with any USB port, like the one on my phone charger, laptop, and car. Don't take my word for it. Trust the 5-star reviews from over 1 million customers in 195 countries who love their BlendJets. Free worldwide shipping is included. Order your BlendJet 2 now, exclusively from BlendJet.com. Oh hey, you're still here. If you're short on time and ingredients, try out Jetpack ready-to-blend smoothies. Just add milk or water, your Jetpack, and blend. It comes in 6 flavors and they're all delicious. You can thank me later.